So we have this one in. Turns out I had the corner pieces, the wedges that go behind this, and I had brought enough of this to do this whole thing. So that looks really good. So now we're on to the doorway, and this is the door that someone tried breaking into and unsuccessful, but it did cause damage. So I need to, I either need to make a whole new piece. Problem is I don't have all the tools here to do that, or fix this one so it looks good and repair it basically. So I got the first piece in straight now, put one screw in to hold that good, and now I need to get this next piece in there and toe screw into this so that's all together. I notice this right here is banged in, so I need to pull that back out and put a wedge in there. So that's going to take a little doing, but looks like it's too low too. Looks like it's got to go up a little bit. Okay, so anyways, we're going to do a little TLC repair here and try to get this door jamb correct. This side is still good, and the top is still good, so it's really this side is what we need to get right. And it's in two pieces, right here and right there. And then that will cap off a lot of it once I put that on. It's this board right here, so that's going to hide a lot of it. But we need it stable. Okay, let's get repairing.